Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So for those of you that have stumbled across my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you that are already familiar with my channel and have already followed me and already subscribed to me, thank you so much for that continued support and welcome back. So I thought I'd shoot across a video really just to give you an update of where I am in my journey so far. Now for those of you that are already following me will know that I'm on the quest to basically obtain a lifestyle where I'm not knuckled down to your normal 9 to 5, that I'm not part of the rat race, but I'm actually generating income passively. Now there are various forms and various different ways of generating income online, which is ultimately what my channel is about, and it's kind of what set the basis for a challenge that I set myself, which was to generate £3,000 in just 31 days. Now for those of you that are also following me on my channel will know that I had recently just been made redundant. Well, I wasn't made redundant, I took a voluntary redundancy. So I'm a skills sales trainer coach by profession, and my company was going through a restructure. So I could have applied for my role, but I actually decided that I would take a voluntary redundancy because it really wasn't fulfilling my overall goal, and that is basically to spend more time with my family and also to basically get that flexibility where I'm able to generate passive income and not necessarily spend every day 9 to 5. Actually, I worked sometimes up until the hours of from 7 till 8. So yeah, I really wanted to detach myself from that kind of model and really have the flexibility to work for myself, but at the same time to generate money whilst I sleep. Now, I know what you guys are saying. You're probably thinking, well, everyone wants that. And to be fair, yes they do, but there are only a few people that are actually prepared to work for it. So that's basically where I am, and that's basically the reason why my channel even exists. I thought I would put together a YouTube channel really to document my entire journey from start to finish, and the finished part I'm hoping will be the time where I'm able to step away and have multiple streams of income and have those generate whilst I'm doing other things like spending time with my family, my son, creating YouTube videos, whatever it is. I'm able to have that flexibility to do that whilst I'm still earning money. So that's basically what my channel is about and where I am in my journey. So last month, which is about 2 weeks ago, it was the last day of my employment with my company. So since then I've been basically unemployed. So I've been very busy trying to find various different ways of setting up multiple streams of income. And for those of you that are following me will know that I've basically incorporated and basically used and trialed and tested various different strategies and methods in order to generate income online. Now for those of you that want to know what those various different methods and strategies are, make sure you check my other videos because I go into detail into each and every one of those methods and strategies. But yeah, one of the strategies that I find particularly interesting, which I believe has heaps of potential and is also quite close to what I want to achieve, and that is to create passive income, is the affiliate marketing model. And that's basically just acting as a middleman and referring customers to other people's goods or services. And even though that's kind of slow on the uptake, I'm still trying to find my feet with that. I think it's a very exciting strategy, a very exciting way of generating passive income, because once you've put that together, once you've set it all up, then you can just really leave it and everything else will just run on its own. And you hopefully, if you've done it correctly, will be generating income online. So that is really where I am with my journey at the moment. Like I said, I'm currently unemployed, so I'm focusing on generating various different ways of making money online. I've incorporated strategies like drop shipping, affiliate marketing, buying and selling using various online platforms. I've also had a try at offering my skills as a freelancer. So I've been really busy, and like I said, I am generating some income. Whether it's enough to make me do this full time is yet to be decided. And like I said, I've set myself a challenge of generating £3,000 in just 31 days. So make sure you look out for that, because that will give me an idea of just how possible it would be to generate money online. Anyway, like I said, I just wanted to shoot this video really just to give you a little insight of where I am. It's a beautiful day where I am right now. I'm in the UK, London, and yeah, I'm just enjoying the sun. But I just wanted to shoot this video just to keep in touch with you guys and let you know what's going on. So anyway, guys, if you did like this video, just to let you know where I am in my journey, make sure you hit that like button, and also leave a comment down below if you want to reach out to me, if you have any suggestions or ideas that are working for you in terms of generating money online. Share those ideas. I am a strong believer and advocate of sharing ideas with others, because at the end of the day, everyone has the right, the opportunity to live the kind of lifestyle that they deserve, and obviously the sort of lifestyle that you desire. So yes, please do make sure you share those ideas and leave comments down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you want to keep up to date with everything that I'm doing at the moment, then make sure you also hit that bell icon, that little notifications bell, so that every time I throw a video out there, you'll be one of the first to know about it. So guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care, bless.